DASH is a polypeptide hormone produced by parafollicular C cells of thyroid gland. A. Calcitonin. B. Thyroxine. C. Triiodothyronine. D. Parathormone. Let's. The answer is calcitonin. Calcitonin is a polypeptide hormone produced by the parafollicular C cells of the thyroid gland. Its primary function is to lower blood calcium levels by inhibiting osteoclast activity in bones and increasing calcium excretion in the kidneys.
Dash is cranial nerve 5. A. Olfactory nerve. B. Optic nerve. C. Facial nerve. D. Trigeminal nerve. The correct answer is trigeminal nerve. The 12 cranial nerves are 1. Olfactory nerve, 2. Optic nerve, 3. Oculomotor nerve, 4. Trochlear nerve, 5. Trigeminal nerve, 6. Abducens nerve, 7. Facial nerve, 8. Vestibulocochlear nerve, 9. Glossopharyngeal nerve, 10. Vagus nerve, 11. Accessory nerve, 12. Hypoglossal nerve. The amount of filtrate formed in all the nephrons of both kidneys in 1 minute is termed as filtration fraction, glomerular filtration rate, glomerular capillary pressure, colloidal osmotic pressure. The right answer is glomerular filtration rate. Glomerular filtration rate, GFR, is the amount of filtrate formed by all nephrons in both kidneys per minute, while filtration fraction is the percentage of plasma filtered. Glomerular capillary pressure is the blood pressure driving filtration, and colloidal osmotic pressure is the opposing force exerted by plasma proteins. The longest and strongest bone of the body is A. Radius, B. Femur, C. Ulna, D. Scapula. The right answer is femur. The radius and ulna are long bones of the forearm, with the radius allowing wrist rotation and the ulna providing structural support, while the femur is the strongest and longest bone in the body, supporting weight and movement, and the scapula is a flat, triangular bone that aids in shoulder mobility and muscle attachment. Next question is, pepsinogen is secreted by chief cells, parietal cells, goblet cells, pancreas. Chief cells is the right answer. Pepsinogen is secreted by chief cells, which are specialized cells in the stomach responsible for producing this inactive enzyme that later converts into pepsin for protein digestion. Parietal cells primarily secrete hydrochloric acid and intrinsic factor. Goblet cells produce mucus to protect the gastrointestinal lining. Pancreas secretes digestive enzymes like trypsinogen but not pepsinogen. Bacillus of tuberculosis was discovered by Neisser, Hansen, Robert Koch, Joseph Lister. Bacillus of tuberculosis was discovered by Robert Koch. Isser discovered Neisseria gonorrhea, the bacteria responsible for gonorrhea. Hansen identified Mycobacterium leprae, the causative agent of leprosy, and Joseph Lister pioneered antiseptic surgery. Normal flora, which lie on or in our body with complete harmony, without causing damage, is called saprophytes, commensals, true pathogens, facultative pathogens. Normal flora that live on or in our body, in complete harmony, without causing damage, are called commensals, as they coexist without harming the host. Saprophytes are organisms that feed on dead organic matter and do not typically reside in or on the human body. True pathogens are microorganisms that always cause disease regardless of host immunity, and facultative pathogens are normally harmless but can cause infections under certain conditions. Spherical or oval-shaped bacteria are classified as Bacilli, Spirilla, Vibrio, Kochi. Spherical or oval-shaped bacteria are classified as Cocci, which appear as single cells, pairs, chains, or clusters. Bacilli are rod-shaped bacteria. Spirella are spiral or helical-shaped bacteria with rigid bodies. Vibrios are comma-shaped bacteria with a slight curve. Infectious diseases transmitted from animals to human beings is called opportunistic infection, vertical transmission, zoonoses, nosocomial infection. Infectious diseases transmitted from animals to humans are called zoonoses. Opportunistic infections occur when a weakened immune system allows normally harmless microbes to cause disease. Vertical transmission refers to infections passed from mother to child during pregnancy, birth, or breastfeeding. Nosocomial infections are those acquired in healthcare settings. Modified acid-fast staining, commonly used for staining Mycobacterium tuberculosis, is Ziehl-Neelsen staining, Gram staining, negative staining, none of the above. Ziehl-Neelsen staining is the commonly used modified acid-fast staining technique for Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Gram staining is used to differentiate bacteria into gram-positive and gram-negative based on their cell wall composition. Negative staining is used to visualize capsules by staining the background instead of the bacteria.